Hey, lots of bots here, and what I'm doing is producing some videos, and this is my first one. Yay! What I do is I am a engineer, and my specialty is in theoretical mathematics, mainly in equations that kind of don't exist yet, but will in the future. But anyway, I use quantitative statistics and some theoretical equations that I studied and some I came up with myself um, to trade binary options. And what are binary options? Binary options are all or nothing contracts where you risk, let's say, a dollar, and you can make 80 to 90 something cents on that dollar of risk by choosing the direction. And they're high-low options. So I'm looking from my exact entry to go down or to go up right from that point in time. And they expire within a time frame. So let's say 30 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever your time horizon is, as long as 30 minutes for me, for what I do. And what I do is I pick the exact points that the market will turn, period. Doesn't matter if it's up or down or sideways, but the exact points. And from that exact point, I come up with the times that are going to exactly go up or down between 2 points of time. So, for example, at 10:09, I'm expecting the euro to tank and continue lower for about 10 to 15 minutes, let's say. So right now I am waiting for an entry to go over and take the short on the euro. And I'm going to do it at exactly 10:09, regardless of price. I don't care what the price is going to be. I care about the time. So regardless of price, I'm going to do it based on the time. And right now, all I can do is just sit here and wait, which I will. And my type of trading is very interesting because I will pick the exact time that this is going to occur. And let's go here and let me choose the exact time, which is in about 2 minutes. So you see that red line right there? That is where I'm expecting the euro to drop from. And I'm not going to care about what the price is. As soon as it hits that line, I am going to be getting short. So let's go ahead and see what time it is, and let's go to Markets World. We got about 1 minute to go. It is 10:07:59, 10:08. So we're counting down to go over and take this short. And now you're going to think, wow, you're going to take this short regardless of price. You're not going to care. You're not going to wait for it to go back up to 130, 10 or 11 or whatever it was. You're just going to sell it. Man, that is friggin' awesome, right? Am I awesome or like what? Anyway, we're coming into the time. Let me pull up Markets World. Let's go over and put the euro. Put in my bet amount. Do about 100. And there we go. All right, we got 10 seconds. Let me pull up the spot account. And there we go. Oh no, it's crashing. Boom, in. Don't care about price. I'm just looking for this to sell. So there we go. We are now in the trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this and then we're going to come back in a few minutes and see what the end result of this trade is. Now, statistically, the odds are deeply in my favor um, because what I'm doing is my equations have said this thing is going to tank. And I do mean tank. So we'll see what happens. All right, lots of bots back, and my 10:15 expiration has expired. Now I am going to exit the spot as well. As you can see, we did get the drop that I was expecting, and it's right till 10.17. So as you see that blue line right there, that is where it can reverse back up. So let's get out of this position before we get tagged on it. Do 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 do. Close order. And bye-bye. See that blue line right there? I am out, baby. Hold on. Come on. One more tick. One more tick. Come on. 10.17. There's 10.17. All right. Now, out. Okay. So, as we see, I took my exit. Now, I could have played this differently. I could have let it run with like a +5 or +10 stop, or even a break-even stop if it was closer. But I've decided not to do that. Now, if you watch, as it hits this blue line right here, it has a likelihood that computerized programs by institutions will start to kick in. And they might send it all the way back up. They might send it up only a little bit. But watch how the price reacts right here. And, if I'm correct, then it should bounce a little bit. Maybe it's too strong of a move and it will not bounce, but these these are algorithms, and what I do and what I do in all my trading is I hunt the exact bank's algorithms in unison. They sometimes work together, sometimes they work against each other, um, but when they're in sync, you will get bigger moves. And as we see, it's kind of bouncing back a little bit here at 10.17, and those are the computerized programs going off. And that's what I basically do. I look for through complex mathematical equations the exact time that price is going to go down or up. And I look to do that multiple times a day. And binary options are the best way, the purest way to go over and trade. And there's nothing that beats them hands down, especially when you're timing exact price moves like this, for example. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to sign out and take off and have a great day. Talk to you next time.